receiving Ramnath Goenka is the best thing that can happen to in India as a journalist. I've been in this profession for the last 18 years, and I've been telling stories from the Northeast, and finally to get recognition for it, and that too from Ramnath Goenka Foundation and Indian Express, it just feels great. Thank you so much for it. I'll tell you something. This story is sort of part of a trilogy, sort of I did on the Assam NRC. So Assam NRC, it's a story in which I'm very personally invested because I myself had to go through the whole NRC process. My family members, we had to prove our Indian citizenship, and sadly, my wife is still not in the NRC. So this is a story for which I didn't need a lead because me, my family, myself, all of us we were the story. Yeah, this particular documentary, which was what happens to people who are in the detention camp and whose family members are in the detention camp. The biggest challenge for me was to find stories which belong to both communities, be it Muslims and Hindus, because there is a narrative which normally you will see mostly being portrayed is that it's only the Muslims who are in detention camps, but that's not the case. But so to find case studies from both the communities was a big challenge. And also one huge challenge was to go and find a detention camp. Actually, I and Quint, we were the first people who basically we were able to trace that detention camp in Matia in Gwalpara district of Assam. We for the first time we had visuals of that detention camp, and all this while the government was denying that there is a detention camp that is being constructed anywhere in India. So it was a challenge to find a detention camp because people knew about it, but not everyone was sure that where it was being constructed. So yeah, that's about it. Uh, I really, I cannot quantify what exactly has been the impact of the story because see, people are still in detention camps in Assam. The NRC, nobody is sure about what will happen with the NRC. I per se, I am not sure that what will happen to my wife if we will have to go to the foreigners tribunal to prove her Indian citizenship eventually. I'm not really sure, but one big impact was that when we put out the visuals of the detention camp and we showed stories of these people, this little girl Shweta whose father died in a detention camp, then people realized for the first time that what's happening in these detention camps, and all this while the government was denying the fact that there was a detention camp being constructed anywhere in India. So that was the impact, that we were able to show that, yeah, here is this detention camp which is being constructed, which will house 3,000 detainees. And we'd like to believe that the government perhaps was on the back foot or perhaps not. Who knows?